You know what time it is. We have a family cruise. We're going to and on the Mardi Gras, uh, departing from Port Canaveral, and we're going to, where are we going?
We are going to San Juan, Puerto Rico, Amber Cove, Grand Turk, and St. Thomas.
Yes. 8 day with family, y'all. Y'all gonna see my family, my other daughter, my just family. We're just going. So, well, you saw what happens when Jeremy packs for himself. Before he put anything in his suitcase, you know what he asked me? Is this okay, baby? So hey, sticks and stones may break my bones, but what he says when I help him pack,
Thank you.
he needs me, y'all. He needs me. So, I always carry some Lysol and some air freshener. It doesn't matter. I carry both with me because it is, post-COVID. And there's some more stuff going on. I carry a travel umbrella. So not to get confused with his, mine is purple and black. But get this, y'all. I've already got some outfits in here, but I got some more outfits coming. I always decorate the door so I can remember where I go because I don't always remember my thing. Because we're going to be on the Mardi Gras, I got some Mardi Gras things like this. I got one that says French Quarter, and then I got another one that says something else. But that's going in here. Sunshine on my mind, all kinds of stuff. I like to do it like that. I got my shoes already in there, but I've already ordered like 9 pairs. So I'm taking 14 pair of shoes. Yes, 14. And that's not including the shoes that I will be wearing on the plane to get there. So I'm taking 15 pair of shoes for all you women that want to know how many shoes Sheryl takes on a cruise. Again, this is an 8-day cruise. I'm taking 15. I'm up from 9, added 6, 15. I've also ordered some more outfits for the remainder of this year. For my other cruises, the October cruise for his birthday, but it's called Booze Cruise. The 29th of October, we will be going with some fantastic creators. And then, the best cruise of all time, December the 23rd. What? The Jubilee and our back door. What? Wobble, baby. Baby, tell me the words again.
All the shorties in the club, let me see you just.
Wobble with it, wobble with it, wobble with it. So, I have some outfits for you. As a woman, I can't show you my outfits before I get on the cruise. I can show you the outfits. Well, I'm not even going to show you the outfits that are already packed. But I got some outfits for you for this cruise. Yes, I do. Me and baby, or we'll be wearing royal blue for royalty. And for our elegant night, first elegant night, royal blue. Can't touch this. Dun, 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 dun. So, after that, I think I have I got 2 swimsuits. 2 swimsuits already in the bag. And 2 cover-ups already in the bag. I got 1, 2. That's it. I just got 1, 2, 3. I got 3 outfits in here. I got, man, I don't know what I got going on over here. It's mass mayhem, as we call it. Mass mayhem.
Welcome to another episode.
Yeah, this is some mess going on. Babe, I had some clothes. What did y'all do with them? See, that's what I'm saying. They be hiding my stuff, y'all. I got some of these, so baby, everything that you see with this. What does this mean?
That's a bag identifier.
So you won't do what?
Pick up the wrong bag.
Okay. So we got that covered, but baby, where's my other outfits? I had. What did y'all do with it? It's not over here. I don't know. You know, I had my what? Is this over here? Okay, let me tell you. I got this one outfit. It's yellow and black that I'm going to wear to dinner. It's really cute. My sister gave me this top. Came from Mason's. This is Elegant Night. And then this is going to be port, this white romper. It's port. This is going to be dinner night. It's a short outfit. But it's elegant. This right here, elegant. It's you don't like it. I'm telling you. So I have 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got 3 swimsuits. 3 swimsuits, 9 outfits. So tell me, and 15 pair of shoes.
The math is not calculating right now.
So tell me if I have enough outfits for an 8-day cruise. If not, I've ordered some. Yeah, I did. I ordered like 21 outfits. Of those 21 outfits, I'm going to spread them out for the remainder of the cruises that we go on. October the 29th, the booze cruise, and the inaugural sailing. So, the 21 outfits will cover us for the remainder of the year. Then guess what? Then I gotta go shopping again for the
secret booze cruise.
Yes, the 2.0 secret. Hosted by Eddie Lugo Studios and Alice, my bestie. So, guess what? We will be on that 6-day cruise, and then we go into my favorite ports, Jamaica.
On that ship that's behind you, right? The
Paradise.
Paradise.
Welcome to Paradise. That's one of my door decorations. Like I said, I do door decorations so I won't lose my cool when I can't find my room. So, we're going to Jamaica, Grand Cayman. If you haven't been to Grand Cayman, you're missing a port. And what's the other port?
Montego Bay.
Yeah, that's Jamaica. And then we got 3 ports, don't we?
Yeah.
What's the other one?
Grand Cayman, Key West.
Oh, yeah.
And Montego Bay.
Key West is Jeremy's favorite port. But I just wanted you to see how easy it is for me to pack because I'm just waiting on another Temu package. I don't even know where the one we haven't opened. Oh my God. Okay, I got 2 outfits. Jeremy got some cruise sunglasses, 2 pair. And yeah, we're set. The other 21 outfits that I purchased can go for October the 29th, December the 23rd, as well as
the secret booze cruise.
Yes, we're set. You know, but I'm going to try very hard not to put nothing else, another cruise, on the books for 2024 because we got two big cruises coming up in 2025. So I think I'm gonna, well, except for the World America, that's still viable. Yeah, we're still going on that one. So anyway, welcome to another episode of Mass Mayhem, packing with Cruising is Fun Anytime and JNS Adventures. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share it out, because I'm sure somebody, somewhere, needs to see this and not do what we do to pack. I love you and have a wonderful day around the YouTube streets.